Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a deep dive into the products that make your life easier. Today, we're looking at a kitchen companion that's all about speed, versatility, and clean cooking. The Cook with Color 1400-watt 5.5 coolant air fryer. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just trying to make meal prep simpler, this air fryer promises some interesting features. Let's see if it really delivers what it claims. The Cook with Color air fryer brings together a powerful 1400 watts cooking system and a large 5.5 coolant capacity to help you whip up meals for the whole family. It's not just about the size, though. The key to this fryer's effectiveness is its unique glass frying basket, which ensures even heat distribution, making every meal crispy and delicious. The basket is also dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for easy cleanup. Additionally, the air fryer offers a 60-minute timer with precise control to prevent overcooking, so your food is always cooked just right. With 8 presets and a temperature range from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, this appliance allows you to cook a variety of dishes with the push of a button. It's clear that Cook with Color is focused on making cooking simple and efficient. Now, let's talk about how this air fryer performs in the real world. Setting it up was a breeze. The digital touch display is intuitive, and the presets are conveniently laid out for anyone who's not a seasoned chef. I put it to the test with some classic air fryer dishes: chicken wings, French fries, and even roasted vegetables. One thing I immediately appreciated was how evenly everything cooked. The glass basket really does distribute the heat well, giving a golden, crispy finish without having to shuffle things around halfway through. As for the 60-minute timer, it was spot on, giving me full control over cooking time and preventing that dreaded overcooked dry meal. The temperature control is equally precise, allowing me to set it anywhere between 175 degrees Fahrenheit and 400 degrees Fahrenheit based on what I was preparing. No complaints there. However, no product is perfect. One area where this air fryer could improve is in its overall footprint. At 5.5 coolant, it's spacious, but it's also a bit bulky. If you're working with limited counter space, you may need to rethink where to keep it when not in use. Another minor issue is the sound. It's not overly loud, but it's noticeable. If you're used to a quieter air fryer, the noise might stand out a bit, especially during longer cooking sessions. Also, while the glass basket ensures even cooking, it's not as quick to cool down as metal baskets, so you'll want to give it some time before handling it post-cooking. When we talk about value for money, the Cook with Color 1400-watt air fryer offers a solid return. It's priced in a competitive range, offering all the essential features you'd expect in a quality air fryer: large capacity, even cooking, easy cleanup, and digital controls. There are other air fryers at this price point, but they often lack some of the specific features that set this one apart, such as the glass basket and the precise temperature range. However, there are alternatives like the Ninja air fryer or the Kasori air fryer, which offer similar capabilities, but with a slightly higher price tag or smaller baskets. For those prioritizing a larger capacity and ease of use, this Cook with Color model stands out as a compelling option. In terms of build quality, the air fryer feels solid and well constructed. The body is durable, and the glass basket, though slightly more fragile than metal, is designed to withstand daily use. Given that the brand focuses on user-friendly design and clean aesthetics, the overall feel of the product is one of reliable quality. As for longevity, it's difficult to say definitively how it will hold up over years of use, but based on the materials and the brand's reputation, I'd expect this air fryer to last, especially if treated with care. I didn't need to contact customer support for this air fryer, and that's often a good sign when a product works seamlessly out of the box. However, Cook with Color is known for offering reliable customer service, with quick responses and helpful tips if you do run into any issues. It's worth noting that many brands in this category may not provide the level of support that Cook with Color has been praised for, which is an added bonus. Finally, when it comes to the overall verdict, the Cook with Color 1400-watt 5.5 coolant air fryer is a strong contender in its category. It's not without its drawbacks, like the bulkiness and the slight noise during operation, But its even cooking, large capacity, and ease of use are clear strengths. If you're in the market for an air fryer that handles a variety of foods efficiently and looks great on your kitchen counter, this one is certainly worth considering. It offers good value for its price and performs well in everyday cooking scenarios, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen gadgets. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new video from Reviewsinsidetv. Have you tried the Cook with Color air fryer? Or maybe you're considering it? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time, where we bring you the best from the world of kitchen gadgets right here inside your TV.